amid the trials that I meet, amid the thorns that pierce my feet, one thought remains supremely sweet: Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. What need I fear when Thou art near, and thinkest, Lord, of me? The care of life come thronging fast upon my soul, their shadows cast. Their gloom reminds my heart at last: Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. Thou thinkest, Lord, of me. What need I fear when Thou art near, and thinkest, Lord, of me? Let shadows come, let shadows go. Let life be bright or dark with woe. I am content, for this I know: Thou